Hey guys, what's up? It's Highmane10ance here. In this video, I'm just going to be reviewing the Highmane10ance kit. This is the February box, and they release these every other month. The first product I used is the Africa's Best Textures Herbal Care Sulfate-Free Moisturizing and Conditioning Shampoo. I really enjoyed how much this shampoo lathered up, and I was surprised that it actually didn't dry out my hair. I also noticed that my curls were kind of popping after I rinsed it out, so that was a plus. Then I followed up with the Africa's Best Texture Moisture Renew Conditioning Treatment. The slip was pretty good with this product. Detangling definitely went by kind of quick. After detangling, I just put a plastic bag over my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. When I rinsed it out, I noticed my curls weren't as defined as they usually are after a deep condition, but my hair definitely was soft. Next, I went in with the Natural Roots Cocoa Conditioning Leave-In. This leave-in automatically made my hair so shiny and moisturized. I was amazed. For extra moisture, I applied the Africa's Best Textures Moisturizing Buttercream. When I applied it, I could tell it had some really good slip, and I noticed it felt more like a lightweight buttercream. Then I followed up with a random gel that was not included in the kit. I decided to go with this gel because the gel included in the kit was a sample size, and I knew there wouldn't be enough to cover all of my hair. The leave-in and buttercream seemed to be working so well with the gel. As you guys can see, I'm using kind of like a raking motion to really define my curls. After applying all the products, I just air dried my hair for about 8 hours. Here's some footage of my hair 100% dry. This is after about 3 or 4 days of wearing my wash and go. As you guys can see, my curls still look pretty moisturized. I was definitely pleased with my results, and I was able to get 6 days out of this wash and go. An additional product they included in the kit was the Butter Life Boutique Luxe Whipped Shimmer Butter. I loved the consistency of this butter. It was really smooth and it melted right into my skin. They also included sample packs of the Africa's Best Texture Moisture Butter Cream that I used earlier and the Shea Butter Curl Defining Cream, which, like I said, I didn't get a chance to try because I felt like I would only be able to use it on 1/4 of my hair. And that's all the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!